What's up, everybody? 360 Juice. What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video. I know yesterday's video I had the same stuff on, but I actually recorded this video right after I recorded the Juvier video, so all I did was recorded two videos and edited them different days, so it'll be a lot easier for me. All right, so today's video I'm gonna be showing, well, not showing, but reacting and commenting and giving out tips for all my straight hair wavers. I'm gonna do the best that I can to help you guys out. So this is the proper way to wash your 360 waves for straight hair wavers in 2020. And this video is by Bori360. He's a straight hair waver. If you guys don't know him, go follow him on Instagram at Bori360. But yeah, right before we get into this video, please go check out my description. I got all the hair care products that I use for my 360 waves. If you want your waves to look like mine, hair texture to look like mine, check out the links in my description. And don't forget to use the discount codes to get some money off. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video.
Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, let's get it. Curls to waves, Bori360. Yeah, he definitely a straight hair waver, man. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna mute this whole entire video because yeah, it's copyright crazy, man. So he waving his beard too, man. He shampoo his beard. That's how you gotta do it though. You gotta wash your beard when you washing your waves, man. Wash your waves about 2 times a week, 3 times a week. Sir Cruz recommend 3 times a week, but hey, I don't recommend that. But if you go 3 times a week, make sure you moisturize and tag team. Alright, so you definitely gotta brush in that shampoo, man. Brush it in 15 minutes, man. However long you think you can, cause that's where you get the best progress, man. That's how you wave up fast during your washing styles. Make sure you get that good lather. You guys want that great lather? I got that in the I got all that in my description, man. The We Love Wavers shampoo bar. Go check that out, man. Use my discount code JUICE with a 3 at the end to get 10% off. I mean, comb till dry. I'm not sure I would do that, but hey, I'm not a straight hair waver, so I'm just following along. Okay, so it looks like while he was shampooing his hair and brushing, his hair was like super straight, but once it starts to dry up, that's when it starts to curl up. So I don't know, I ain't never seen that before, but hey, I wouldn't know. I'm not a straight hair waver. Stop playing. Brush medium hard. Okay. I hope y'all paying attention, because I'm paying attention too. I don't even know what's going on, because I'm not a straight hair waver. My own custom brush. Okay, he got his own custom brush. I mean, this is complicated, man. This is not how I wash my waves. A lay frizz with a glove. I'll probably use a plastic bag, but glove works, I guess. Try a glove, y'all. On my straight hair wavers, try some gloves. Maybe that'll work. Okay, get your do-rag. Wow, this is way different. I usually put my do-rag on with my shampoo in my hair and then rinse that out, but yo, man, what the? I'm confused, y'all. I'm just as confused as you are, cause I might have to watch this over when I'm done with this video, cause yo. Alright, no knot method. Stocking cap, okay. Alright, so I guess straight hair wavers wash their hair totally differently. So Let me see the unwrap. Hey man, it worked out well. So definitely see a lot of shine, silkiness and everything. So y'all give that a try and let me know how it works out. Cause I definitely don't wash my hair like that. So I mean, I'm a coarse hair waver, so it's different. Yeah, y'all. So y'all seen how Bory 360 washes waves. So all my straight hair wavers, y'all go follow Bory 360. Feel me? He a straight hair waver, and that's the best way I could help you guys out. Cause I'm not a straight hair waver. Feel me? I can't help you guys out with my methods. You gotta get a straight hair waver to help you out. So yeah, that's how he washes waves, and I think that's how all the straight hair wavers should probably wash their waves. But if you like my methods, you can use my methods. If you like his methods, go follow him on Instagram, Bory360, and just follow his methods. Alright, hope this video helps you guys out. I'm trying my hardest to help coarse, medium, and straight hair wavers, because I don't want to just be for coarse hair. I'm gonna do coarse, medium, and straight. So thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you did watch all the way through, appreciate y'all for 70,000 subscribers, road to 100K. And yo, it's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.